participation ng ating community, ng Illinois community. So, grabe ang nagaganap. So, ang daming kumikita sa loob ng for the month of June.
First recognition on site, grabe, so grabe ang dami kumikita. At syempre, isa sa pinakamaganda rin talaga, meron tayong OFW na pasok sa top. Grabe, no? So next, ikaw na. Huwag kang pumayag na hindi ka kasama dito kasi grabe ang sulit at higit sa lahat, masaya, nag-enjoy na, kumikita ka pa.
Heartbeat echoing in an empty place. Every little memory puts in comforts, it's the same. After the crash, I still feel you in the coil. Every breath, every crack of my ribs when I try to fight it. If this is all we ever had, I'd break again just to rewind it. After the crash, I'm still reaching for your photos on the floorboards, your old sweater hanging off my chair. Talk like you're beside me, answer shadows like you're really there. All our little almost, all the plans we never wrote down. Living the reflection of a memory that starts to drown. If I let go, do you fade? If I hold on, do I stay this way?
Hindi ibig sabihin hindi ka nawadan. Tapos na ang laban mo, kapatid. Kailangan maramdaman mo at umuwi ka mamaya na punong-puno ka ng pag-asa kasi ikaw naman ang next dapat na maawardan dito. Hindi ibig sabihin kung anong meron ka ngayon, anong sitwasyon mo yon, mo ngayon, hindi ibig sabihin hanggang dyan ka lang. Kasi yung mga na-awardan dito, kagaya mo lang din nagsimula.